Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off game mode on your TCL Smart TV the best way. Whether you want to reduce input lag for smoother gaming or switch back to a regular TV mode for watching shows, this guide has you covered. Start by pressing the home button on your remote and head to the settings. From there, go to the picture or display settings. Depending on your TCL model, look for game mode in the list and toggle it on to improve responsiveness and reduce lag when gaming. When you're done playing, simply toggle the game mode off the same way to get the best picture quality for movies and shows. Keep in mind that game mode can sometimes reduce the image processing, so colors or sharpness might look different while it enabled. And thanks for watching. If this helped you enable or disable game mode on your TCL Smart TV, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.